Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel on YouTube, as well as Dave's Data Analytic channel on Twitch. We'll continue our daily run of COVID-19 reports. We just finished Spain, we finished Israel. Let's take a look at Ohio here real quick. Okay, let's fire up this report for Ohio. We also need to remind ourselves of the monkey business that the governor was involved in the first quarter of 2021. That was in the first quarter of 2020, came out, I think February, came out and said, oops, we undercounted COVID-19 deaths for the fourth quarter of 2020 by close to 4,000. What's also interesting is, it's always the deaths. They never seem to have a problem counting COVID-19 cases. You ever notice that? But anyway, so the governor's solution was to take those missing 4,000 numbers and add them onto February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021, which, as you can see, completely divorce all the rest of the numbers for that month. So what we do is we come over here and replace those numbers with the average number of COVID-19 deaths for these 3 days. Okay. Of course, the other thing that's kind of is that if that's not enough monkey business, they actually went to a 5-day reporting cycle and sometime in the early spring. But of course, the kicker about that is it doesn't appear to be the same 5 days every week. Okay. But remember our motto: the trend is our friend, and the trend is still our friend. You can run, but you can't hide from the trend. Okay. And you can see the long declining pattern spring, summer for COVID-19 deaths in the state of Ohio. Then in July, this big increase up here, but we had a few weeks decline here, but it looks as if it may be going back up again. Okay. A few summary statistics: the average number of deaths was 36. The max was 752. Oops, we'll be back in just one moment. My dad's lunch just arrived at the front door. So again, you can see that, well, this is interesting. A minimum of 598 cases. Average number of cases, 36. One is I should get really annoying. Go in there and just change all the negative numbers to zeros or something like that, or nulls. What about cases? We can see that it's pretty much the same story cases. A long declining pattern down to July. Then in July, we saw an increase in COVID-19 cases, then a dip. Now the numbers appear to be trending back up in the state of Ohio. And again, we can see here, an average number of cases 2,785.9 average. The median is 1,469. So the third quarter, so our interquartile range is what? I don't know. With a maximum of 25,721 cases in a single day. Weekly cases, okay. So that takes care of the report for the state of Ohio for today. So thanks so much, YouTube, for stopping by for today's State of Ohio report. Hang in there. We'll be back in just a few moments with another updated report. Well, well, uh, well. So a lady on, a person on Yuka's with Data's streams, I gave her a link to my thing, and she says, "Well, I checked it out. It's interesting that you would do a political video on a data science channel." Well, I consider COVID-19 to be a data science question, because of the numbers. But yeah, but to me, so, to me, first of all, it's all pro. It's all the whole curriculum is all R programming. I must say 99.9% R programming, and that includes any types of I do things about yeah, but okay, but okay, I understand what you're saying, but COVID-19. First of all, there's also a lot of art. Well, because the COVID-19 numbers are data science, because it's also a data science question, right? They use data science to predict models. So that concludes the report again for the state of Ohio.